Alright, so today in the shop we are looking at this Edge-R-Rite edger. Kind of a beastly machine. Very heavy duty. Belongs to a guy that does ball field work for baseball fields and such. And what we're going to focus on today is the engine. He was using it and then it just stopped working and he couldn't get it started again. Well, it's kind of an easy fix. Let me show you what's going on. Take a look down here by the spark plug and the coil wire. Look at that. This boot just broke. So let me get a pliers to pull that off and we'll show you how to fix this. Alright, so what we're going to do is kind of reach in and grab that carefully. It's a new spark plug. There we go. Look at that, there's actually like tape around it. And this is just plastic. I wonder if there wasn't a crack in it at one point and somebody taped it up, which is not the proper way to fix it, but it must have lasted for several years like that. So anyway, so now the question is, we've got this wire here, and what we're going to do is just unscrew this from the wire. So sometimes gotta gently hold the wire and start unscrewing. There we go. It actually came off pretty easy. There we go. Alright, now in the end of the wire here you can see the end of the wire, and yeah, inside the rubber you can see the copper wires, and inside here is like a screw that when you twist this on, it makes connection with this, and then boom, you got power. So what we're going to replace it with is a new one, and I got the new one from Stens here. Spark plug cap, Stens number 135226, and this is what it looks like. So let's get it out of the package. Okay, so here are the two pieces side by side, the broken one and the new one. And we take the new one, and again there's a screw inside there. And we'll start working this way in. And I'm right-handed, so we're going to switch to the other side. All right. I think we're on far enough. There was a white mark on this wire, and we went deep enough to cover that white mark. So let's plug this in and see if we got to go. There we go. Easy peasy. So that's actually the first time I've ever had to do that, because I've never come across a broken spark plug boot like that before, especially in a small engine here. But hey, I learned something today, and if you learned something, then I've done my job, and I appreciate your subscription. All right, thanks for watching.